Imagine an AI so powerful it's reshaping industries overnight, from healthcare and finance to entertainment. OpenAI's latest release, GPT-4 Turbo, isn't just an upgrade. It's a leap that many say borders on the capabilities expected from GPT-5. With new speed, memory, and an optimized architecture, it's setting the stage for AI to redefine how we work and live. Today, we're diving into how this new model is transforming entire sectors and what it means for the future. Is this GPT-5 in disguise? OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo has introduced a next-level efficiency that's pushing boundaries, leading some to ask, is this GPT-5 in disguise? While it's not officially GPT-5, its performance improvements have redefined expectations. Turbo is faster, smarter, and designed to handle complex tasks at a much lower cost. Paired with OpenAI's new O1 architecture, it's becoming clear that GPT-4 Turbo is an unprecedented tool that can tackle real-world challenges across industries. Healthcare, diagnosis to treatment, in real time. Healthcare is one of the most immediate beneficiaries. GPT-4 Turbo can analyze massive amounts of medical literature, pulling out insights that guide treatment options or help with diagnostics. Imagine a world where doctors consult AI to instantly review studies, interpret complex patient data, and get tailored treatment suggestions. This AI's analytical power is already being piloted in hospitals to assist in diagnostics, triage, and even predicting outbreaks. The result? Reduced costs, faster diagnoses, and improved patient outcomes, paving the way for a more efficient healthcare system. Finance. Redefining market intelligence. Next, let's look at finance. Banks and investment firms are already leveraging GPT-4 Turbo to enhance customer service, streamline risk assessments, and conduct market analysis. Financial institutions are using this model not just as a chatbot, but as an analytical powerhouse that processes real-time market data, enabling traders to spot trends and opportunities faster than ever. With GPT-4 Turbo analyzing economic indicators and news, hedge funds are gaining a critical edge. This AI doesn't just simplify financial tasks, it redefines what's possible in risk management and predictive modeling. Education transformed. Personalized learning at scale. In education, GPT-4 Turbo is enabling personalized learning on an unprecedented scale. Schools and universities are adopting it as an adaptive tutor that provides instant feedback, guides students based on their strengths, and even grades assignments. This kind of tailored education was once exclusive to students with private tutors, but now, with GPT-4 Turbo, it's accessible on a large scale. In under-resourced school districts, this tool offers a lifeline, allowing educators to focus on teaching while the AI handles administrative burdens. For students, learning has never been more personalized or engaging. The arts, new AI in entertainment and creativity. What about the world of creativity? GPT-4 Turbo is revolutionizing how content is made, from video games to movie scripts and music composition. Filmmakers and game developers are already using AI to create dynamic, immersive worlds where storylines adapt to the player's choices in real time. This technology is pushing the boundaries of interactive storytelling, transforming video game development and film production in ways we never thought possible. By automating time-consuming tasks, AI lets artists focus on innovation, opening the door to an entirely new level of creative freedom. What's next? So where is this leading? If GPT-4 Turbo has this much power, what can we expect when GPT-5 does arrive? OpenAI's roadmap suggests even greater advances, with AI models that are smarter, faster, and capable of tackling increasingly specialized tasks. As AI becomes more embedded in our lives, it raises new ethical and regulatory questions, especially concerning data privacy and responsible deployment. Companies must carefully balance innovation with accountability, as AI has the potential to shift entire economies. What we're witnessing isn't just the next step in AI, it's a fundamental shift in how industries operate and innovate. GPT-4 Turbo sets a new standard, blurring the line between present capabilities and the next generation of AI. anticipated with GPT-5. As we see AI-driven transformations across sectors like healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment, one question remains: are we ready for an AI-powered future?